Previously, we discussed the fundamental differences between generative and discriminative models, highlighting how generative models learn joint probability distributions to create new data, while discriminative models focus on classifying data by learning decision boundaries. Today, we are going to delve deeper into the key characteristics of generative AI, exploring its core features and capabilities that make it one of the most innovative frontiers in artificial intelligence. Generative AI is remarkable for its ability to create content that is often indistinguishable from human-produced work. Whether it's generating text, music, or images, understanding the core features and capabilities of generative AI is crucial for appreciating its potential impact across various domains. Let's start with content generation, which lies at the heart of generative AI. Unlike traditional AI, which focuses on recognizing patterns or predicting outputs, generative AI creates new content. This includes generating text, such as stories or articles, music, visual art, and more. The key here is that the generated content is often novel and sometimes indistinguishable from human-created work. For example, AI models like GPT or Generative Pre-trained Transformer can write essays, create poetry, and even generate scripts for plays, showcasing the creative abilities of generative AI. These models use deep learning algorithms to generate coherent and contextually relevant text, often indistinguishable from that written by humans. Next, we have adaptive learning. Generative AI systems learn from vast datasets and improve over time. They adapt to new information and fine-tune their outputs based on ongoing learning. This dynamic evolution helps in refining the quality and realism of the content they generate. It's important to note that the quality of generative AI's output heavily relies on the diversity and volume of the data it has been trained on. More data usually results in better, more nuanced outputs. Recent advancements allow these AI systems to update their learning models continuously, integrating new insights and improving their content generation over time. Another fascinating feature is multimodal integration. Generative AI is not limited to a single type of media. Modern advancements have enabled it to integrate multiple forms, such as text, audio, and visual data, into cohesive outputs. This multimodal capability allows for more sophisticated products and applications. For instance, an AI-generated video could combine high-quality audio with realistic animation, all created from scratch by the AI without human intervention. Such integrations are increasingly being used in advertising, entertainment, and education, offering interactive and immersive experiences. Generative AI also fosters creativity and innovation by taking inspiration from the datasets it's trained on and extrapolating them into new forms and structures. This capability is being harnessed in industries such as design and entertainment to push the boundaries of what's possible. For example, fashion designers use AI to generate unique clothing patterns and styles, which can inspire new collections. The fashion industry has seen collaborations where AI generates thousands of design patterns, enabling designers to explore a wider range of possibilities quickly. Efficiency and scalability are also key characteristics of generative AI. It can produce large volumes of content rapidly, which is particularly beneficial for industries requiring scale, such as advertising and media. This efficiency not only accelerates production processes, but also lowers costs associated with creative work. For example, automated article generation for news websites that require constant content updates to maintain reader engagement. These systems can generate thousands of articles per week, tailored to specific audience preferences, thus maintaining engagement and boosting advertising revenue. Now, let's explore the capabilities of generative AI, starting with personalization. Generative AI excels in creating personalized content tailored to individual preferences. This feature is heavily utilized in marketing and customer interactions, where personalized messages and products enhance user engagement and satisfaction. For instance, personalized email campaigns where the content is generated to reflect the recipient's past purchases and preferences. This technique increases conversion rates and improves the customer experience significantly. In engineering and product design, generative AI aids in creating complex models and prototypes by offering a variety of designs based on initial parameters. This capability speeds up the design phase and provides diverse options for innovation. Companies like Airbus use generative AI to design airplane components that are optimized for minimal weight and maximum strength, resulting in more efficient and cost-effective designs. Generative AI is also transforming healthcare by aiding in the creation of new drugs, developing personalized treatment plans, and simulating complex biological scenarios. By generating models and therapeutic processes faster than traditional methods, it significantly impacts medical research and patient care. However, it's important to remember that while generative AI enhances research and planning, actual treatments still require human oversight and ethical considerations. Nevertheless, generative AI can significantly reduce the time needed for early-stage drug discovery and trial simulations. Enhanced user interfaces are another area where generative AI shines. AI-generated user interfaces and experiences are tailored to improve usability and interaction, adapting in real time to user feedback. This flexibility enhances product functionality and user satisfaction in software development. For example, AI-driven chatbots that learn from user interactions to provide increasingly effective support and service. These systems not only respond to queries, but also predict user needs and suggest relevant actions, enhancing the overall user experience. Finally, as generative AI becomes more embedded in critical systems, there's a significant focus on ensuring ethical practices and transparency. New frameworks and methodologies are being implemented to make AI's decision-making processes more understandable to end users, addressing biases and fostering trust. For instance, AI systems now include features that explain why specific content or decisions were generated, providing context and reasoning to human operators. This is achieved through advanced interpretability models that allow users to see the logic behind AI decisions, promoting trust and understanding. In conclusion, generative AI, with its impressive capacity to innovate and create, holds immense potential for transforming numerous industries by offering scalable, efficient, and creative solutions. As we navigate the possibilities of this technology, it's crucial to consider not only its capabilities, but also its ethical implications and the need for responsible use. By understanding the core features and capabilities of generative AI, we lay a strong foundation for harnessing its full potential, ensuring that its integration into society is both beneficial and sustainable. Explore these features with curiosity, and as you delve deeper into the world of generative AI, remember that its continuous evolution will keep unfolding new opportunities and challenges. Next time, we'll explore how generative AI is reshaping industries, enhancing healthcare, education, marketing, and entertainment, and discuss the ethical considerations that come with these advancements.